you're all doing well, and welcome to my online class. Today's lesson objective is to apply cut, copy and paste options. Some of you already know this, but anyway, I'm doing this again. I have sent you your email two attachments. First attachment is this task, and I'll explain you how to do this on this task, my day, which I will explain in a few minutes time how to do this task. And the second task is on Christmas Day, cut and paste, arranging it in the order. So let me explain you first task step by step, and I will leave the Christmas Day for you on your own to do it. In a new Word document, type this list of activities exactly as it is shown here with an underlined heading, My Day. What you have to do is you have to type list of activities, that is came home from work, from there till had breakfast, as it is, students, as it is. Okay, nothing, no changes. Came home from work until had breakfast, which I have already typed for your reference. Now I have already typed it, and I have to give a heading, my day, underline my day. What I'm going to do is I'm going to underline it, which you already know. Underline it, and if you want to change the font size, up to you, students, and make it bold, all those things you're free to choose, anything that you want to, any extra bit of work that you like to show. Now the second is enlarge the text so that it fits bigger on the page and choose more attractive font. Any other font style if you want, look for example, any other font style you want to use, any other font color you want to use, you're more than welcome. Enlarge it means make it big. Any other font color you prefer. Apart from that, I'm going to use this blue. Okay, this dark. Okay, well, I'll keep it as it is, students. Now on the hard copy, my day. Number 3, add your name as a header. Save the document in your folder under the name My Day and print a copy. In the header, type your name. When you click, double click on top of the page, the header opens up. You type your name. I'm going to type my name and save your work. It's also asking you to save your work. Save your work. How do we save it? Sure, file, save as, and save your work. We do that, students. And now take a printout. Well, anyway, if you want you can take a printout. If not, then you can keep it as it is, no problem. On the hard copy, put the numbers by item in a logical order. What you have to do is you have to number these items. How do you number? In which is the first thing you do during the day? I woke up first, so that's the first thing that I do. And then after that, what I do, in my timetable, take shower, then what do I do? So I'm just going to number it like that on hard copy. If you want, you can number it on a hard copy. I'm just going to delete it. Now use a cut and paste, put these items in the correct order in your documents. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use cut and paste option. Now how am I going to do this? I'm going to highlight the word woke up because that is my first activity. I'm going to select that word. You see this option of cut here? I'll click on that, and then I'm going to bring this came home from work because I want space on top of the page. I'll click where I want to paste it, and then I'm going to paste it. Okay, next, after that, woke up and then had shower. That's the second. It's your daily routine, students. How you do it, you can just cut and no, I didn't go to bed. I immediately after woke up. I'm just gonna cut. What I do next, click where you want to paste it, and then click on paste. Okay, next, third activity is a had breakfast. It's my breakfast. I'm just going to highlight it, had breakfast, and I cut it. I click where I want to paste it, and then I paste it. Next, after that, I'm just going to have breakfast. Took dog for a walk. Yeah, I took dog for a walk in the morning. Okay, fine. And then I'm going to cut it. I click where I want to paste it. Students, this is my daily routine. You are free to choose however whatever your daily routine is from morning till evening. And then I went to work. What's this stuff? Went to highlight it, cut it, and then I went to work. I just click where I want to paste it first, and then I'm just going to paste it. Went to work. Then so I'm just going to arrange it in the order. Students, you do it. Now you know how to use cut and paste it. One more last time. After that, went to work. After went to work, and then what I'm going to do, went to work and had lunch. Yes, so I'm going to highlight it. When I cut it, it is deleted from there, and then when I want to click in, I'm just going to paste it. Similarly, copy and paste also, students. When you want to do copy and paste, which you have done copy and paste of your images and many things, highlight what you want to copy and then click on the word copy and paste it wherever you like it. That's the main thing in this class session is cut, copy, paste. Very important tool. I'll remain the rest of the things to sort out on your own. And also, I have sent you one more task, Christmas activities. Follow the instructions, insert a heading, Christmas Day is a heading, and number the list, add a border to add a border. I'll show you how to add a border. Okay, for example, add a border is something new here. I'll show you how to add the border. And the appropriate image, you have seen how to insert the image in my last class. So what you have to do in this task is you have to type whatever is given in this box as it is. No cheating, please students, don't cheat. And you have to type everything as it is in the box, and then you have to order according to the timings. Now 4 a.m. is the first thing, so you highlight that text and cut and paste it on the first task. After 4 a.m. what comes next? 7 a.m. I went back to sleep until about 7 a.m. that is your second. I had a quick shower at 7:15 a.m. that is your third. So arrange according to the time. And also when you finish it, your work should look like this, and also an image of a Santa Claus. So now I will show you how to add this border to my task. Now for example, to this task I want to add border. Okay, to add a border to this page, you see this option of page layout. From here also you can go to page. From page layout, you see this option of page border. When you click on page border, see, and then when you click on custom, under art, you will see a lot of different types. You can choose from here. Click on OK, you see that? Once again, from page layout, page border. If you don't want any of those heart shapes or anything, you can free to choose just the lines. And also you want to have a different color for the lines, you can have a different color for the line, width of the line. You're free to choose any of those options, students. You don't have to stick to my ideas. Explore your ideas in there. Okay, you see that? Save your work, send me as an attachment to my email ID. You have to send me 2 tasks. One is on Christmas Day and the one is on my day. Cut and paste in the right order. Students, I believe you all, and please please apply, cut and paste and do the activities and send it to my email address leela.erekman@newham.ac.ek. I'll see you all soon. Hopefully see you all soon in the classroom. Until then, take care, take good care of yourself and your family. See you guys, bye.